Hello everyone, my name is Akino, a Markforged application engineer. In this video, I will introduce the strengthening of parts by continuous fiber, which is the greatest strength of Markforged composite printer. Depending on the fiber reinforcement process, it is possible to change the way of how the strength is applied to the part, such as isotropic and anisotropic, which make it possible to support various kind of applications. In this video, I'll introduce a method to give strength to the bending direction while leaving the flexibility in the twisting direction. The process starts from importing part data into Markforged slicing software IGA, which enable to control the direction of continuous fiber. Since continuous fiber have the most strength in the longitudinal direction, in this part, the fiber are only laid along the bending direction. So when you touch the actual printed part, you can easily twist them, but there's a strength in the bending direction.